Welcome to my YouTube channel, Okoye Timothy Mark. Subscribe for different secrets of doing calculations, dealing with calculations in various ways. Last time I started with the secrets of dividing a number by 7, and I want to complete it. Whenever you divide a number by 7, the decimal part will be by arranging these digits 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7. And of course, the decimal parts are as a result of the remainders. We all know that when you divide a number by 7, the remainders will be the whole numbers that are less than 7. And we know that the whole numbers that are less than 7 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So simply place this number under these decimal parts in ascending order. The 1 comes under 1, 2 comes under 2, 3 comes under 4, 4 comes under 5, 5 comes under 7, and 6 comes under 8. Now, if you divide a number by 7 and the remainder is 1, the decimal part is by writing 0.14285. It will be 57. It will be repeated until your calculator can no longer display. I did it last time. I gave example 8/7 is 1 remainder 1, which is 1.142857. Let's quickly go. If you divide a number by 7 and the remainder is 2, you start from these 2 because this 2 is placed under this 2 here. So the decimal part will be 0.285714. 285714. The calculator continues to display it until it cannot display again. For instance, 9/7 is 1 remainder 2, which you actually write as 1.285714, then 28571428. Now, something like 16/7 is 2 remainder 2. For the remainder, you write it as 2.285714, and so on and so forth. Where you start from, you end at the front of it. Check it now. So, if the remainder is 3 when you divide a number by 7, the decimal part will be 0.428571. 42857. For instance, 10/7 is 1.428571. 42857. Continue in that order. 17/7 is 2 remainder 3. So it will now be 2.428571, and so on and so forth. If the remainder is 4 when you divide a number by 7, you start from here and you end here, just as you place the 4 under 5. So whatever, like 11/7 will give you 1 remainder 4, which we write as 1.571428. 571428, and in that order. Wherever you start from, you stop in front of it. If the remainder is 5, such as in 12/7, which is 1 remainder 5, you see that the 5 is under 7. So it will now be 0.714285. 714285. So that is the things that will continue to be displayed and repeated over and over again. So that means it's now 1.714287. 571428, and that order. Even if you have something like 19/7 is still 2 remainder 5. Remember, that's now 2.714285. Finally, the remainder is 6. The 6 is under 8, so it will now be 0.857142. 857142, and in that order. For instance, 13/7 is 1 remainder 6. So if you get now 1.857142, 857142, 857142. These are the secrets of dividing whole numbers by 7. the remainder determines the decimal parts. With this, you can always divide any number by 7 and know what the remainder is. For instance, if you ask me to divide 230 by 7, what I should do is to get how many sevens are inside here. How many sevens are inside here? I know that 7 times 30 is 210. 7 times 3 is 21. So 210 plus 21 is 231. So it's not up to. That means that 7 times 2 is 14. To that 210, that is 224. Remainder 6. So that means the 10 plus the 2 is 12. So it's 12 whole number, remainder 6. So I'll quickly write it 12.857142. 857142. The thing continues to be repeated. Or quickly, I can even, with my own discussion, I say, he asked me to say 230 over 7. I'll quickly do 23 over 7. Whereby I know that 23 over 7 is 3, remainder 2. So this 2, that means now 3 point, is 3 remainder 2, which is 3 point, okay, no, it doesn't, this will go a wrong way to confuse some people. Let's leave this one. It's confused a lot of people, so we may not go about this. Okay, now that is all for the secret of division by 7. The secret of division by 5. Whenever you divide a number by 5, all you need to do is double the digits and shift the decimal place one step backward. This one is irrespective of whatever the number is, or you have decimal place or not. Just double the digits and shift the decimal place backward. For instance, 1 over 5, when this one, of course, 1 is like 1.0 over 5. Double this 1, I'm going to give you 2.0. Then shift the decimal place 1 backward forward, and that is 0.2. If I have 24, 15 over 12 over 5, double the digit, that is 24 over 5, because this is like, and then I'll shift the decimal place 1 step backward, that is now 2.4. 13.96 divided by 5, double the digits. The digits should give you 27.92. I'll see the decimal place 1 backward, that is 2.792. If it is by 50 that I divide it, it is still the same doubling the digits, but in this case, since 50 has 2 digits, I'll see the decimal place 2 steps backward. For instance, 13.96 over 50 is still double the digits, 27.92, 2 steps backward, 1 and 2, that is now 0.2792. 5184 divided by 50, I'll double the digits. When I double the digits, I have 86103. Okay, so what I do is that now 1 and 2. So that gives now 103.68. No matter how big, even if I have the numbers in this like 1.414 divided by 50, no problem. Just double the digits, that's 2.828. Then I see the decimal point 2 step backward, 1 and 2, that's 0.02828. That equals the answer. If it's by 500 and dividing 3 steps backward, just double. So whenever you divide a number by 5 or 50 or 500 or whatever, just double the digits and see the decimal places. You now know the number of times you see the decimal places depending on the number of digits that make up the 5 that have been divided. 5 has 1 digit, that's why it's seated 1 decimal step backward. 50 has 2 digits, 2 decimal places backward. 500 has 3 digits, 3 decimal places backward, and so on and so forth. But if it is by 0.5, which has no extra digits, whenever you divide a number by 0.5, just double the number and go your way. For instance, 4 over 0.5 is double the 4, that is 8. 16 over 0.5, double the digits, that is what? That is 2. 1.372 divided by 0.5. Double everything. That is now 2.71. 2 points. This is 744,744. If it's by 0.05, double the digits. To divide number by 0.05, double the digits and see the decimal step. Decimal place one step forward. For instance, 4 over 0.05. Double it, that's now 8. You see to the decimal place. That is now 8.0, which is done. That gives you what? 8. 23 over 0.05. Double digits, that's now 46. See the decimal place 2 steps forward. That's now 00, which that gives you 4600. That's where we end it for today. To learn more, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Okoye Timothy Mark, for different skills in dealing with calculations. And from time to time, more uploads will be made. Thank you and God bless you. I remember myself, Okoye Timothy Mark.